Captivated by the energy of the streets? But your photos just don't do justice to the lively scenes? Let's tweak our Sony ZV-1 II for street mastery. First step, ensure your subjects are always in focus. Navigate to Focus Mode and select Continuous AF. This will keep your camera automatically focused on moving subjects, capturing every dynamic street moment with clarity. For street photography, timing is everything. Adjust your shutter speed to at least 1/250th of a second to freeze motion, ensuring that even the fastest moving subjects are captured with precision. Adjust your ISO based on lighting conditions. For daytime, keep it low, around 100/400. As the evening approaches, or in shaded streets, increase it to maintain exposure without sacrificing detail. Utilize aperture priority mode to control depth of field and isolate your subjects from busy backgrounds. This mode allows for creative flexibility, letting you decide the story each photo tells. With your Sony ZV-1 II now finely tuned for the streets,